Ever wished you could snap photos right from your own eyes? Imagine capturing life's best moments, hands-free and in style, without ever reaching for your phone. Well, today, we're testing the hottest camera glasses of 2025, so you can see exactly what's possible and decide which pair is right for you. Ready to see the world from a whole new angle? Let's dive in. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and let me know in the comments which camera glasses you think are the best fit for your lifestyle. All right, let's jump into our list. Number 1, OhO Sunshine 1080p camera glasses. If you're looking for affordable camera glasses that get the job done without breaking the bank, the OhO Sunshine 1080p model is a solid place to start. These glasses are all about value. They don't have the sleek designer look of Ray-Bans, but they're sturdy, lightweight, and honestly, they look better than you'd expect for the price. The camera features a 24-megapixel sensor, which sounds impressive on paper. In reality, though, still photos are a bit underwhelming. Colors can look washed out and details aren't super sharp. But here's the surprise. Video quality is actually pretty good. Think of it like a basic dash cam, clear enough for casual recording, vlogging, or capturing your daily adventures, but not something you'd use for professional photography. One thing I really like is the built-in rechargeable battery, which charges via USB-C. You also get 32 gigabytes of internal storage, so you don't have to worry about buying extra memory cards. That means you can start recording right out of the box, which is a big plus for beginners. Controls are simple with just a single button on the arm. It's easy to use but also easy to press by accident, which can lead to unintentional starts or stops during recording. Number 2. OhO Smart Camera Glasses for K Pro. If you want something a bit more advanced, the OhO Smart Camera Glasses 4K Pro are worth a look. These sunglasses are designed to be discreet, with a single centrally mounted camera right above the nose bridge. They record H.265 video directly to built-in storage, which ranges from 32 gigabytes all the way up to 256 gigabytes, depending on the model you choose. That's enough space for up to 17 hours of footage, though the battery life means you'll rarely need that much at once. These glasses are water-resistant enough to handle rain, but don't take them swimming. Video is captured in 4K at 30 frames per second, or you can drop the resolution for smoother 60 frames per second recording. The video quality is good, definitely a step up from the 1080p model, but not quite cinematic. It's perfect for casual recording, travel vlogs, or capturing action on the go. One thing to note, changing settings isn't as easy as it should be. There's no companion app, so you'll need to connect the glasses to your laptop and edit an init.txt file to adjust things like resolution or frame rate. It's a bit old school, but once you set it up, you're good to go. Battery life is about an hour of continuous recording per charge, so plan your shoots accordingly. For action shots, you'll probably want to use stabilization in post-production, since there's no built-in stabilization. Overall, the OhO 4K Pro glasses are practical for casual recording and offer a nice balance of style and functionality. They don't draw much attention, so you can capture moments naturally without feeling self-conscious. Number 3. Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses. Now, let's talk about style and social sharing. The Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses are all about combining iconic looks with modern tech. Ray-Ban's classic styling inspires confidence, and their partnership with Meta brings seamless social sharing right to your fingertips. These glasses look and feel like real Ray-Bans. Solid, stylish, and comfortable for all-day wear. There are no AR features, but you do get two front-facing 12-megapixel cameras for high-quality photos and videos. Sharing your content is super easy through Meta's suite of apps, including WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, and Threads. If you're someone who loves to share moments instantly, this is a huge plus. Audio quality is another standout. With 5 built-in microphones, 2 more than the previous model, calls, music playback, and voice assistants are all clear and reliable. The glasses charge via an included case, and battery life lasts up to 6 hours, depending on how you use them. There are several style options: the classic unisex Wayfarer, the Skylar with a more feminine design, and the wider headliner for larger faces. All models share the same camera and tech specs, so you're really just choosing your favorite look. Overall, the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses are a fantastic choice for anyone who wants to capture and share moments on the go without sacrificing style. Number 4. Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses Gen 2. If you want the latest and greatest, the Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses Gen 2 are here to impress. At first glance, they look almost identical to the first generation, with familiar style options like Wayfarer, Headliner, and Skylar. But the real upgrades are under the hood. The Gen 2 cameras now shoot video in 3K resolution, a big jump from the full HD of the original. That means sharper, more detailed footage, whether you're recording your travels or just capturing everyday life. Battery life is also much improved. Meta claims up to 8 hours of mixed use, and the charging case can get you from 0 to 50% in just 20 minutes. With a full charge taking about 75 minutes, that's a major step up from the previous 4-hour battery life. Meta's AI features have also advanced, with new tools like live translation and conversation focus, which uses the 5 microphones to enhance the voice of the person in front of you. These features make the Gen 2 glasses not just a camera, but a true smart assistant for your daily life. The main drawback is price. Gen 2 glasses cost the same as the original launch price, but Gen 1 models are now about $100 or 100 pounds cheaper. If you want the latest features, Gen 2 is the way to go, but Gen 1 still offers great value for the money. Number 5. Oakley Meta HSTN Glasses. Finally, for those who want something built for action, the Oakley Meta HSTN glasses are designed with sports users in mind. In terms of camera quality and smart features, they're virtually identical to the Meta Ray-Ban Gen 2 glasses. Same video resolution, same AI capabilities. The real difference is in the design. Oakley offers a variety of lens options, including their famous Prism lenses, which are tuned to enhance contrast and detail for outdoor activities. You can also choose polarized, transition, or clear lenses, depending on your needs. The Vanguard wraparound style provides extra protection for cyclists, snowboarders, and other athletes. Water resistance is rated at IPX4, the same as the Ray-Bans, which is fine for sweat and light rain, but not for heavy downpours or swimming. Price-wise, Oakley Meta glasses are among the most expensive camera glasses available, starting at $399 or 399 pounds, with some lens options pushing the price even higher. But if you want smart glasses specifically designed for sports, Oakley's offering stands out from the crowd. So, which is the best? For top-notch image quality, style, and smart features, the Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses Gen 2 are the clear winner. If you want the ultimate in wearable photography, these are the glasses to get. Let me know in the comments which pair you'd choose, and don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on reviews. Thanks for watching.